vlog. This is part of my day trading in FX. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down my robot. I'm not making any headway with it. I've lost $100 with it, so I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. Unfortunately, it's a $298 subscription fee to use their service, and so that means I'm $380 in the hole already. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. It's a learning curve. That's the way it goes. You're going to lose. You can also win, but in my case, try something new. I may come back to this again one day, but right now I've got to move on and do some other things. I think I'm just going to stick to regular stock trading. I'm looking into the electric vehicle, looking for companies that are supporting electric vehicles. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to shut this down and get my money back. To kill this, let's take me back into how you withdraw your funds. Your wallet. And as you can see, I got nothing in my wallet. Let's see. Let's go to. Okay. So, unfortunately, I shut down the live screen before I got going here. All right. Kindly ask you to do your internal transfers from MT, which is what I did. Internal transfer from MT4 to your wallet by the following steps. Click internal transfer, select MT4 to wallet, choose MT4 account, and then wallet. You would look for the transfer into. Final step is put the amount you want and then go across. My problem is it's not doing it. It won't. It shuts me down. So I did that, but it's rejecting. I have a balance of 481 to 32 balance and a 458.68 equity. She says, kindly advise, you can always transfer your funds from the Metaphor, which is what I'm going to do, live account, but only from your free margin. Okay, you can see your free margin in the trade tab on your MT platform, which is what we got to do. I can't transfer it from my dashboard. I got to do it from live. Since you have open trades, you are only able to transfer from the free margin. You would need to check free margin from your platform. So I said, so I have to close them. That would depend on you. However, you can only withdraw from the free margin. I'm on the FX mode, so I have to shut that down first. She says, please be advised that we allow the use of expert advisors and other third-party software through MT4. However, we do not provide any assistance in loading. It's a recommended contact. How much I want to transfer? I want to transfer it all because I'm not making any money on FX mode. Since you have open trades, meanwhile, you are only able to transfer the free margin. However, you want to withdraw funds, you would need to close the trades you wish to close. Okay, so we're doing. Thank you for the information. Work rotation. She is gone. So I've got to go into the Hugos MetaTrader 4 account. So that's going to be in a few minutes. Now you're going to go to your Hugos live trading. If you want to start an account, just go hugos.com. It'll take you here. You're going to go If you want to start an account, you download it, sign up, start with. In my case, I'm going to log in. Who is this? This is not even right. Valid account. Okay. I don't know, equal. Let's see what's going on here. See if that's got anything to do with it. Four. Underscore I 3 S C. Says invalid account again. First one I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. Let's go back to my FX account here. It's online. So we're going to go ahead and actions. That's actually, I'm going to take that back to this guy here. And we're going to put that in there. See if that works. No connection. Because that was the actual password for this account. Ha ha ha. Okay, that was it. Okay, so all I do is go back to my FX account and then start. Okay, free margin. Equity. So your free margin is 433. Because this is still, it's still active. So let's see. Auto trading is now active. Auto trading is shut down. All right, now how do I stop trading? Your free margin is 434. Oh. Mm-hmm. Where's my account history? 50. Trading. You're minus $24 today. Minus 18 a while ago. Is active trading. It's 23. Okay. So the amount you can transfer is 4. It just bounces around here. Oh. 434. So with that said, let's go back here. Type transfer. So we're going from MetaTrader to wallet. Select wallet. US. Transfer 432. Right? $434. $434. Alright. $434. Okay, request transfer. Hey, done. Okay, we fall down. Alright. 434. Now let's go back into here real quick. Okay, now back. Counts. And he jumped all these out. Equity 23, balance 47. Okay, so I leave it alone, I guess. See what it's doing. Negative 20, equity 3. Even though you had 434 in the account, now you're back down to here again. All right, well, I guess I can use it. Back to auto trading. Okay. Back to that. Balance 47, equity 23, margin 23. I'm just going to leave it alone. Let it drain itself out and die, I guess. All right, back to my main account. Okay. My accounts. Leverage, okay, 47 million equity. No. All right, so with that said, let's withdraw. Select wallet. Whoa. Okay. I don't know. Okay, 434. Select a transfer. Now you're gonna go wallet to MetaTrader wallet. Now wallet to wallet. Now you're gonna do a withdraw. Withdrawals can take several hours to complete. Evaluate the progress. If you have a negative MetaTrader account equity, you will not be able to trade with your funds until account is balanced. We cannot complete withdrawals prepaid. Alright, so let's see. Select wallet. There's nothing in it though. Yet. Select. I don't know, it's Bitcoin, I guess. I don't know. Now I got to figure that out from there. Okay, well, I get the money out of that, and I get the money stuck in here, so we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.